Deep inside the jungle of life, a tiny baby parrot sits quietly on a branch, innocent, fragile, unaware of the danger nearby. But evil never sleeps. From the dark shadows of the forest, a giant snake appears. Its eyes glow red. Its hunger is deadly. Slowly, silently, the monster moves closer. Suddenly, the snake attacks. Death rushes forward with open fangs. Fear fills the baby parrot's eyes. There is nowhere to run. Is this the end, or will a miracle happen? Then, the sky trembles. With a powerful scream, a mighty eagle dives from above. Claws strike, wings thunder. A brutal battle explodes between hunter and hero. The jungle watches in silence. At last, the monster falls. The snake is defeated. Peace returns to the forest. The baby parrot is safe once again. Today, evil loses. Today, life wins.